Am I live yet? I think I am. Yes, I am. Good morning. Lost my TPT? What? No, I didn't. You mean the one from Rhythmic? But here's the thing. I am waiting for a $930 payout from yesterday. I scalped yesterday a little bit. So I won $330 on the opening range, and then I made $600 more once the payout cleared. I'm waiting for that, but I think I'm just gonna risk it. I mean, with one account, I would just not be able to trade the opening range trade on it. So I don't wanna trade scared. So I'm gonna go for it. I could hear myself talking. All right, we got 5 minutes till the open. I think I'm gonna keep everything the same as yesterday. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I still have a couple evals that I didn't trade yesterday from Apex. That we're gonna attempt to pass today before the sale ends. So today's the last day to activate your accounts for $40. So I'm gonna give it a try one more time. We passed one yesterday. We'll see if we could pass one more today out of the 3 accounts. Not gonna copy trade them, but all right, making sure I could see my live account in case I need to close it. Make sure it's copying. Let's see. Yep, it's copying to live. I don't have my watch. I like using my smartwatch because it notifies me when I place orders on Tradeovate. It's pretty cool. I guess I could have my phone. Do you know how to stay logged in on Tradeovate? I don't have that issue. It logs you out quickly. Today might be a golf day, actually. It's 39 degrees. Perfect weather for golf. Actually, tomorrow maybe. Tomorrow's gonna be sunny. The problem is it's cloudy as hell. It's probably last week of golf in New Jersey, sadly. Unreal. Every day. Well, yeah, I have to log in every day too. But it's quick. I thought you meant like it logs you out quickly. But yeah, every day I gotta log in as well. Hopefully it's a smooth ORB. Need a smooth one. It's been a little funky this week. Smaller ATR, only 5. Yeah, Willie. I mean, I have my password saved. All right, 2 minutes on the clock. Yeah, if I had to put in the password every time, that would drive me nuts. Tradeovate saves passwords and usernames for all your accounts too, not just like the recent one. Sacred says he got 22K in payouts last month and about to request another 10K on Friday. Let's go. That's what it's all about. All right, we're getting in the 1 minute warning. Oh man, let's do it. Right now, it's hard to say which way I prefer. I think short might be the better option right now. So I kind of have a bias before the open, but at the end of the day, it's the market dictating which way it's gonna go. But I might be a little bit more aggressive if anything. But we have to break 768 and hold it there. 10 seconds. Can I see if I hold it? All right, held. Oh no, don't do that to me. Come on. Come on, don't do that to me. Again, issues with copy trading. Not sure why. Come on, I don't even know where my freaking... Oh my god, I don't know how to get out of those trades. Oh, Control X. Flatten all. Fuck, I don't know how to do it. I'm up a lot. I don't know how to do it. Fuck, where is it? Where's my thing? Oh god. Why is the copy trader so fucked? Let's go, chat. Oh, we need to make money, baby. I need to put this. I keep having this window and it keeps getting lost. And that flatten all button did not work, by the way. Because it's not. It's got to be on the leader account. I think I made more money on some accounts. That's all. Which accounts were there? Let's see. Let's see if we can find one account that had an issue. See, see, like I covered here, so I made extra. But which prop firm is causing this? There's got to be a prop firm that's causing this. Well, I did not have any issues with TradeSync. TradeSyncers have been amazing. 0 issues. Guys, it was a very hard day at work today, okay? We traded for 11 seconds. Like, that's a long time. Like, I don't know if I could take that much overtime. Usually we're working for 3-5 seconds. 11 seconds is like a double shift. It's hard work, guys. Hard work. Oh, look what I see. Look what I see, Matt. Oh, fuck. Where'd it go? Bullnox is having delays. This is Bullnox data. Bullnox data is having issues. Oh, and ORB is the only trade in this entire existence that I don't give a crap that this is going another 100 points down. I gotta watch my language. There's kids watching. I just got a text. Gotta keep it clean. Oh man, let's go. Yeah, so like I said, I like to short more. Didn't want to, like Monday, what I did was I entered, today it would have worked. It was a little scary. Like, I got missed by a tick, which sucks. I don't know why the copy trading is having an issue right now. Gotta figure that out. Trying to see how we look here on payouts. Getting closer to some payouts here for sure. I sized down on this account. Lucid is still alive somehow. Lucid was dead, and now it's coming back. Am I out? No, I'm gonna try to pass a couple evals on Apex. Time for nap. Good luck rest of the day. Thank you. Good luck to you as well. When I take a nap, I'm alone, so it's not bad. Take a nap with 5-month-old, 6-month-old. What was it, June? All right, but take profit trader, another payout. So, oh, Jameson's nap. I thought you're gonna go nap with him. All right, so far this is the 3 wins that I've had, and how much I've secured in payouts as far as, so like my payout today from Take Profit Trader for yesterday is $930. However, $313 was from the ORB, so that's what I'm counting. So we're up almost $2,000 on just the ORB, and then secured Bullnox payout, so that's gonna be hopefully second half of the month. There are good things about this style of trading. Entry happens. I mean, entry is the only decision, and it happens also quick. Yeah, so it happens very quick. There's a difference between taking one trade middle of the day because you have to sit and wait for it. This happens at 9:30 a.m. So no matter what you're doing, you could find a way to get out of whatever you're doing for that, 3 minutes that you need. As long as everything is set for you. I used to do is on the phone while being at the track. So basically I remote log into my computer and I pull up the screen. Everything's already set. So everything's preset on my computer at home. I log into my phone, I stream into my PC at home, and I just control the mouse from my phone. And I see this screen and I do the ORB and I go back to racing. It's what's changed my life. This little strategy changed everything for me because it is so consistent. It literally has, even Monday was still, it's at the point where if you lose, right now, it's your fault. Like Monday was kind of my fault for losing on the ORB. There's times where it's going to lose both ways. There's no breakout in one direction or the other. It just chop. In those situations, that ORB doesn't work. But when it works and you lose or I lose, but it still worked, there's tweaks to be made and get better at it, right? So that's what's challenging. Do I go over it? Not like in complete detail. I mean, there is enough I show. I kind of gave a little bit of a plan today, but if I go over it, I don't want. Now with Take Profit, I'm not. This is another reason why I'm even doing this on stream. I used to never do this on stream. Last year, it got banned. Okay, last year, prop firms banned this, and they still can. But I am not worried because we have Take Profit Trader, and as long as Take Profit Trader stays around, I don't give a crap about any other prop firm for the most part, whether they allow it or not. Because I can make all my money on this strategy with Take Profit, and Take Profit is never gonna ban 10-second trades or whatnot or brackets. Like, it's so stupid. Prop firms are a joke sometimes, but if we beat the prop firm, we beat the casino, they want to come after us. So that's how it works. It's all good. I want to try getting a payout with Tradeify and see if I could get one. I used to get one, no problem. I wonder if they're going to give me crap now. You used to place 2 orders, buy above, sell below. But why wouldn't they like that? Yeah, that's why I don't do it right now. I had to adapt. You know, people are saying, "Oh, Alpine is done." I could pull up a video right now and we could all laugh about it. I haven't even watched it yet. $500,000 later, still doing it. I haven't actually watched it. Alpine is canceled. Oh man, features Kelly and I love her. She made all of her fame by just bashing people. But hey, I don't disrespect the hustle. I actually never watched this video. But she failed at it really bad, so she kind of just took it out on me, but it's okay. We get along. This is old beef. Not even beef, but when I traded with Tradeify, they didn't have an issue with ORB, no. But now they changed it. They changed their trades to 10 seconds. I should make a reaction to those videos because I really have not watched. Yeah, I do a little bit of both on TPT. Let me show you my evals. So you can see I'm working on an eval with the ORB. So that was the ORB trade. So I'm almost there. I'm almost there with this one. But I also got one more Tradeovate account. Yes, they allow it. You can't bracket both ways. I don't bracket. I adapted to it. Plus, it was a good change. They made the ORB better. Plus 7.5. What is that? 30. It's 30 ticks. No, that'll be. How do you take TPT eval and build the buffer? Are you aggressive while building the buffer or just eval? Well, I don't have to build the buffer on Take Profit Trader because I'm live with them. I am live with Take Profit, so I don't have to build the buffer. But when I did, I was not aggressive with the buffer. I was aggressive with the opening range trade like this. So yes, I would try to make $1,000, $2,000, $1,500, you know, in the opening range trade or in the day. But I wouldn't try to get to $4,000 in a single day. Every time I tried doing that, I got killed. It's same as right now. If I try to go for a bigger payout, I'll get killed. In the US, how many days it take for Apex payment to arrive at your bank? I don't know. I mean, I could kind of tell you from a payout approval standpoint. I got paid on November 6th. And I got approved on November 3rd. So this payout got approved on November 3rd, and I got paid on November 6th into my bank account. So 3 days. Well, it's different. It's not always the same. It's 6 days ago. Damn, that's a long time. Bill Black, when was this? Recently? Damn, they're still asking for videos. It makes no sense. The only reason why I would understand if they ask for a video is they have suspicion of you copy trading or whatever. You're copying someone, or I don't know. I don't know. But how could they know? I'm waiting for a reversal to see if I could pass an eval on the bounce. Right now, if we're falling down pretty hard. I don't know if there's any news. But did you make the videos? How much payouts do you have? Let's try to break this down if you don't mind. All right, so we might be getting a pullback here. I want to risk the lows here. Well, this is an eval, so I'm not going to actually stop out, but I'm trying to be in the range. And where are you from, Bill? Where do you live? Interesting. I don't know. Okay, adding aggressively. Let's see if this is a reversal that we want. I'll be halfway to passing. The hardest part about these is the trailing drawdown. Because it does not stop. I wish the trailing drawdown stopped at $5,000. Yeah, no, it's not gonna go. I tried to add to the winner, but it's not ready for a reversal yet. Yeah, we got two more. So I'm gonna try pass one at least. I think I'm gonna scalp though. I think I'm gonna scalp. I got to pay out on the 25K TPT, then blew it. Yeah, at least I got to pay out and get paid for the account. The 25Ks are tough. It's not much drawdown. It's going up again. Come on. Just try and scalp this. No. The market doesn't want to bounce. It's just so tough. I could only pass evals when the market bounces. Otherwise, I'm dead in the water. It's gonna probably come at like 11 o'clock. Come on. Come on. This is just a $500 scalp. Come on. Really? Why is it that I can't get a scalp with 10 contracts, but when I do it one contract, I could do it 10 times in a row? Overconfidence is that was me in July and August. I made like 50K, made 36 in May, then 50 in June, July, and August pretty much. So I was like, you know what? 100K month in September. Smacked. Blew all my accounts. September was the toughest month ever for me because of how many accounts I blew at payout. It wasn't even like, it wasn't like a struggle and then whatever. It was literally accounts over buffer, $15,000 guaranteed payouts on Apex from 2 accounts. So much, like so many guaranteed payouts, and I just blew it. What's the goal plan for next year? Same thing, 300,000. I'm not gonna push for more because every time I try to push for more, it's when I get killed. Just gotta be happy with what it's giving me. Oh, that was $900, not 500. Oh yeah, 5 points. So I just gotta do that 10 more times, and I'm good. Yeah, the 50-minute was definitely good today, but it's been choppy lately. But yeah, the goal for next year is really try to be consistent. Start the year good. I think like that's a key thing, but it also doesn't matter. I didn't start this year that good, and I started with 22,000 in January and 22,000 in February. Then March, I didn't make any money. I made $1,000, but I spent more than that. So I actually lost money in March. That was the worst time. That was my worst month ever on prop trading. But that was because of the tariffs and the volatility, and I just couldn't do anything right. Versus in September, I had a lot of accounts at payouts, and I was just too aggressive and too confident, and that's why September was a profitable month, but it actually felt worse than March. What kind of slip? Why are we getting so much slippage on Rhythmic lately, by the way? I would have been out of this position if I got filled where I intended to get in. Crazy. We're getting better entries on live accounts. All right, 2 times. We gotta. I think now it might really be. Yeah, now it definitely might be a reversal here. Seems very strong now. Wait for pullbacks. This drawdown goes so quick against you. Nothing like passing evals on news. Don't we have news tomorrow? Don't we have CPI tomorrow or something? But the Apex sale ends, so unless I'm gonna have some Apex evals renew, I'm not gonna bother with it. I'm happy with 10 accounts on Apex for now. 11 accounts actually. That's all I need on Apex, and then I gotta focus on other prop firms because I have a better odds of getting a payout because of the 30% drawdown rule kind of kills you on slippage and stuff. Because I risked $1,500, so if I have slippage and stuff, what prop firm should I try? I really need to work on trade day, but I want rhythmic accounts. Lucid's good, yeah. But I like the straight to funded Lucid, so I just get those. I just don't have any luck. I always go on a bad losing streak when I start with Lucid. So almost blew this account. I'm getting it back to break even, but it's gonna take forever now. I trade too much size on Lucid. That's my problem. Any experience of funding ticks? No, but I think I'm gonna try either funding ticks or funded next. They do allow ORB. It's gotta be 20 ticks or more. But the my funded futures same day payouts kinda I don't know. Too many, like they put you live so quick. It doesn't make any sense. Someone in my Discord's live on Bullnox, by the way. So Bullnox seems to give you a $5,000 live account, which is just crazy to think about. Because with Take Profit Trader, that's just one account. You get 5 of them. And if you blow them, you could get 5 more. It just, Take Profit Trader is a cheat code, guys. If you are not trading with Take Profit Trader, they are the best when it comes to the overall structure. Hopefully they don't change. Hopefully they don't change. They are exploding in popularity because of the big payouts, but with those big payouts, they're actually making money, right? They're actually making money with the profit split. So it's pretty cool to see. Good morning from Phidias. I think they had a 90% off sale. The Lento made 1.5. Yeah, he made like 1.7, I think. He had a red day yesterday. I don't know how much, but yeah, Bullnox keeps me consistent too for sure. But I just hope I don't go live with them anytime soon. I'm requesting a payout from Bullnox on Friday. Feels good. That got bought up pretty quick. Yeah, the 5 day is definitely the worst part. Their evals are definitely the worst part about the whole. That's why I only have one account right now. It takes forever to pass an eval. I should always be working on evals with take profit in the background. I don't know. I don't know how many payouts he got. I didn't ask him. It's exploding. These breakouts have crazy low volume or high volume. I don't know, but the slippage is. Take profit does not have activation fees, so it's a little bit more expensive up front for an eval, but then it's actually cheap. So a 50K account is like $102, I think, all in. I do 150Ks, which is 212. But the great thing about the 150Ks, why I like them, is because you buy a eval, and then the reset is only 100. So technically, if you fail an eval, it's like buying a 50K eval again, right? As long as you pass in the same month. Is it hard to pass take profit? It's not hard, just annoying. The 50% consistency rule makes it tough. Okay, almost halfway to passing here. Being a little aggressive on this breakout. I gotta buy dips. I'm buying breakouts and it's always pulling back on me. All right. So you made $5,000 just like that. Why can't I just do that on the Take Profit Trader account? I don't know. 50% consistency means that you can't make more than 50% of your target in one day. So like on the 50K account, the target is $3,000. You can't make more than $1,500 in a single day. Yeah, the consistency is only on evals. Then on the live account or the pro account, there's no consistency. You can make, I can make $1 million in one day and get paid. That's how it works. If I just scalped like this all day and I went for 100 out of 100 scalps, that would be only $100,000. Yes, if you make 10K in one day, they'll move you live, which you want. You want to go live with them. But if you make 10K in a single day, you go live, I believe, with just that one account. Someone told me this. You don't actually stay live with them for all the accounts. Like I am live with them because I was consistent. So any account I get, any value I pass, it goes into a live account. All right. Bullocks, no, now Take Profit is having. I saw some delay here. I want to pull up gold. See what gold is about. Oh my goodness. Should we send an eval on gold? Mr. Joaquin. The worst thing for myself about Take Profit is having 3 pro resets. No, no, no. No, you can't use the reset button on Take Profit. Don't even pretend it doesn't exist. Way too expensive. If I could make $5,000 a day, then I would use the reset button. I've done it on the smaller accounts, but oh, they're gonna sucker me in. I think they should clear this first. Little trap here at 601. Let's see. Should fill me before it goes lower though. Okay. Oh, 5,000. 4,000 to go. It's gonna be the last trade I freaking take and it's gonna blow. Killington's already open. Unbelievable. If they did a 50% off that reset button, I think that would cost them too much money. Rock Driller. Was that always your name? I recognize your image, but not your name. I apologize if that was always your name. But yeah, the reset is something that is very dangerous. That's how they make money. So you got to use it to your advantage, okay? This is when you're scared about Take Profit Trader being too easy and them losing money or whatnot, not being profitable. Remember, there is a reset button that a lot of people are abusing, and that's how they make money. I get that, hard hat. That's what I mean. They would lose too much money. They can't be priced. They can't be priced at the same price as straight to funded accounts, because straight to funded accounts you have 20% consistency and you have to trade for a minimum of like 6 days to get a payout, and then you have a limited amount of money you could take out. That would put them out of business so quick. People would just buy in YOLO. Need some of that Patrick Whelan Lambo cash? Yeah, I could use some. Right now, I want the Lanto money. It's still going. It's not selling off for the lows, so let's keep scalping long. 20 ticks at a time. Got $3,000 left to make. I think 649 is not that bad if you could get a payout. If you've gotten payouts from them before, you know, 649 is not that bad. $1,500 for 150K is a little steep, but like for me, I just made $1,500 this week, more than 1,500. I could use this week's money to to reset one account and be break even, but I would do it with the 50Ks, but the drawdown is just so small in the 50Ks. I'm so used to 150Ks now. Oh, I might have been suckered in there. Then they sucked me in. Gotta wait for a clear V-shaped reversal. Just right now, it's still looking weak. If I could get out of this, if I could just get out of this, I gotta stop longing for a little bit. We need to show some strength. Right now, we're not showing any. So yeah, I didn't trade with Take Profit Trader until they removed the daily loss limit. I knew that with the daily loss limit, I would not be able to trade with them. And I always said, why do I need daily payouts if I make $200-300 a day? That was also my mindset, and I was kind of silly. You made $22.50 on the 50K account. Which account is it? The growth or the advanced? Good morning. Good morning. Growth. You could trim because that's an end of day drawdown, so you're not gonna lose any drawdown. Unless you think you could make. Like, you don't want to lose too much. Like, being out of the drawdown is better than. How do I say this? So being out of the drawdown is more advantage to you versus being within the 30% rule or 35% rule consistency, because you could always meet the consistency by making more profit. This trade is not gonna freaking go. They sucked me in here with a trap. Have I tried a 75K account? Yes, I have. That's the crazy part. Take Profit Trader has every single like increment. They have 25, 50K, 75K, 100K, 150K. But no one uses the 75 or 100K. Yeah, I also didn't like the 80-20 split. I mean, I still don't, but once I got the bug for the daily payouts and I was able to use my opening range trade with more size, because back in the day, I also traded my opening range trade differently. I traded my opening range trade with less size so I could always work out of a bad trade, right? So what I would do is I would get into a trade. If it didn't work, I would add and I would try to work out of it the best I could. That's what gave me the really high win rate. So usually if it won, I would only make $200-300. So I was like, I don't need daily payouts. No point. But now I realize $200-300 every single day times 3, 4, 5 accounts. That's a huge chunk of money. And it's guaranteed. Now you don't have to worry about what's going to happen tomorrow. Like now I have one take profit trader account. So yes, I worry maybe a little bit, but if I have multiple take profit trader accounts, like I don't worry about if ORB is going to work tomorrow or not, because I'm going to get paid from today's ORB. Like I'm not risking, 10 days of ORB every single day. I always take it out. But that's because I don't have a buffer. When you have a buffer that you got to meet, then it's like the ORB wins for 5-6 days. You get to the buffer, and now you got to hope that the trade wins, right? Versus on a live account, every day that it wins, I make money. So as long as it wins at least one time, I paid for the account. Yes, the 150K is so much better. You have so much more drawdown. It's crazy how much better it is. I never realized it till I started trading with 150Ks all the time. You know what really got me over that mindset is actually Elite Trader Funding, because Elite Trader Funding used to have this promo. It was called Beat the Beast, and all you had to do is like make like $3,000 in a day and pass any eval. So what I did was I did the 150K and 250K evals, and then I sized up on the ORB, and I started to make like $1,700 in one day on the ORB. And I was like, wow, if I just get that 5 days in a row, like that's massive. And I realized how much more cushion I had with those bigger accounts, and now I pretty much try to stick to 150Ks. That's why it's harder for me to pass. Like passing 50Ks is so easy for me compared to 150Ks. All right, we survived that trade, so now I'm gonna chill out here and not long for a little bit. See, we could start making some ground to the upside. For now, it's still kind of for the opening range trade, or for what? Here you can kind of see. So if it's $272, that's 2 contracts. So it's $135 roughly per contract is how much I make on the opening range trade. This is, I had a copy trader issue, I believe. That's why I made more on these. I don't think I'm trading this much size. Yeah, I'm definitely not trading that much size. So between 2 to 4 contracts. This is what 4 contracts gives you. 4 contracts gives you $580. The way I trade it. So $580 is a lot of money. If I did that on 3 accounts, it's $1,500. It's all you need daily. My good month trading is 40 to 50,000, right? That's like really good months. I haven't had that many of those. I had, a decent amount, but could be better. So that's just $2,000 a day in payouts. If you break it down to that, it really becomes crazy how obtainable that is with Take Profit Trader. Especially if you have Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, you know, so you have 8 accounts there and you could alternate them and try to get close to $2,000 a day from all those accounts. It's something I would love to challenge myself for. Like, wouldn't have to use any other prop firm. Every other prop firm would be auxiliary income. That's how I would look at it, which I already do. Like, Bullnox is never my primary income. I trade Bullnox because it's fairly easy. It's rhythmic. It's been a prop firm I've been using for so long, and it's always been consistent for me. I use it as an auxiliary. So basically, I plug it in, it's there, and I trade it. And if I get to a payout, I get to a payout. And it's extra money. But I don't adapt my rules or anything like that for Bullnox because it's not my primary prop firm. Oh, man. All right, we got 2,700 left to pass this eval. Once you're live with Take Profit Trader, even with just one account, every eval you pass after that, will they take you straight to live? I'm not sure if it's in every case, but in my case, yes. I go straight to live. I don't know, because someone told me, I was talking to someone and she said that she doesn't go straight to live every time. Well, new lows. So my feeling for this was good. Thankfully, I was able to escape. Oh yeah, Melvin, if you get one payout from a prop firm a month, that's all you need. Like, don't worry about the 8 days. Worry about just break it down. Like, what's your goal? Like, is your goal 10K a month? Right? If your goal is 10K a month, how many prop firms do you need? Or how many accounts do you need to get there if you get one payout from each prop firm or from each account? And then you also blow a few accounts. Guys, the architect is calling me about the garage, so let me answer that. Be right back. Sorry, guys. No, it's not that easy. It's not that easy ever. Oh man. Hopefully. All right. Well, I took a few scalps while on the phone. We're very close to passing this eval. How much do you need in payouts to get moved live to TPT? I don't know. I thought it was 20K consistently or um or 10K in one day. kind of pissed off right now because who knows if they're gonna let me build this garage without fighting. Oh man, not what I wanted to hear today. Well, I'm gonna put a golf simulator in. If I can't build a garage, I'm putting a golf sim in. I don't care. No, I don't have video talking about my OR strategy, and I probably never will. I'm not interested in teaching. I'm interested in showing what I do, but not teaching. Can I? No. Why would I do it? So I could get a band again? No point. All right, we need $1,500 more because I was only trading 3 contracts. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient for this. Still downtrending. All right, 2 more trades. We need two more scalps. It's gonna be the hardest 2 scalps. Doesn't Lucid have same daily payouts? No, they don't. Trade day. Trade day does. Damn, still weak. For streaming purposes, scalping is better because my win rate on full porting is not the best. You have to be very patient and catch at the right time. And 150Ks on the 50Ks, yes, full porting is definitely high win ratio. But on the 150Ks, it's hard to get a clean move. You got to catch a move like this. Otherwise, you always hit the trailing drawdown. I did one yesterday. I passed one full porting yesterday. All right, so Take Profit Trader just took out the money. So it's 11 o'clock. They just took out the payout from yesterday. So now I could scalp on Take Profit Trader if I want and add some more profit to this account. But maybe I'll just be happy with 500 bucks. Gotta be careful here. I don't want to long and then this dumping. So oh, kind of in a bad mood right now because I don't know if I could build this garage. I'm gonna have to fight the town, I think. All my plans. See, taking a long. All right, one more scalp. Come on. Need like extra $28 too, so I'm gonna go for 22 ticks, see if that covers it. Might not even cover it. Yeah, you could just watch the beginning of the stream and you could see how I trade it. I trade it on stream. Yeah, we're going lower. Just need one more scalp. One more, and I could call it a day. Bouncing off the lows. Yeah, it's still not bouncing. We're catch an easy long bounce, but for now it's still bouncing and selling right off. Need to see some strength like this. It'll come. It'll come. We should be able to do a giveaway on Take Profit Trader sometime this week. Hopefully Friday. Actually, no, Friday I'm playing golf. Friday might be a short stream. My brother took off from work, so. Yeah, they're getting bombarded. Take profit trader is gonna get slow for a little bit because they're gonna grow like crazy because of the big payouts. It was always the activation has always been a little bit slower on take profit though. It's never been like super smooth. Yeah, exactly. You know, there's no perfect prop firm, but they're as close as it gets. So if that's the biggest issue, I'm not gonna complain. People can wait an extra day. It's fine. Yes, I have a Tradeify account. I haven't traded it. Let me log into it. See. I should just get a better license for should get a better license for Trade Syncer so I could trade Tradeovate as well. I mean Tradeify because right now I can only do one connection. Maybe I'll just do that today. I have NinjaTrader, so I always used to use NinjaTrader for that. All right, we're getting a sell off again. I need one more scalp. Should I take a short? No, it keeps bouncing. Every time it sells off, it keeps bouncing. I'm just gonna wait. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Come on, sell off hard and then easy 5-point bounce. That's all I need to pass this eval. That's all I need. Uh-oh, it's teasing me already. Pine tree, what's going on? Yeah, so basically spoke to the architect and I'm already at full lock coverage of my property, which is a bunch of BS. Oh man, I'm so disappointed right now. Hopefully, prayers. And hopefully I'll be able to build this garage. Passed it. All right, we're at 12 accounts with Apex. Got one more eval I could send. Let's just start it. Looks strong, but I'd like to get on the pullback. But when it's very strong, it might not give a pullback. So I'll enter 5 now and then 5 at the pullback. Guess not. And see, just like that, on the 50K, I would be halfway to passing. So much harder to pass 150Ks. Yeah, it's $40 the last day today. $40 is the last day, so I'm trying to pass this eval. And be at 13 accounts, that'll be good. I never really trade 20 Apex accounts. It's so rare that I ever get to 20. I should have 20 and then trade very small size on some of them, see if they would last. Get faked out over there. I held. Let's see. Looking at a V-shaped reversal, but it's still downtrending the whole time. I'm just waiting for that break of the trend. $2,200. So I just made $11,000 that quickly. Why can't I just do that on the Take Profit Trader account? How's it going? It's my first time here. Well, welcome. I am doing a challenge for myself where I'm only trading once a day for roughly a minute. So I'm done with actual trading by 9:31 a.m. So all the P&L you see here is done in the first minute of the open. And then I'm just trading some evals now. So I've made all my money in 11 seconds. Just so you know, I'm not trading all day like this right now. Do I go live every day? Not every single day. If I'm late or about a long weekend, then maybe I won't stream on the Monday, or sometimes I have to work on Fridays, so I don't even bother streaming. But usually I try to get on every day. Sorry guys, I'm just texting my architect. Oh, just not in a good mood right now because I got some bad news from the architect. Hoping for a breakout here. I gotta go. Ah, got caught. Well, survive that. Swear to God, if they don't let me build a garage, I'm buying this. I'm gonna put a golf sim in this. Do we have CPI tomorrow? I think so. Um, Tomorrow is Thursday. No. Wait, what? This has got to be set for the wrong time. Yeah, we have CPI tomorrow. Set to the wrong time, but CPI tomorrow and PPI Friday. Interesting. Definitely could pass some evals. It's ripping now. I should be aggressive now. I'm gonna try to pass it. I'm not sure, CS. I'm assuming those would be like old alerts that you would have to go back. There's got to be a tab with the alerts that you could delete. I don't use TradingView, so I wouldn't be 100% sure, but let me see. I'm pretty sure it's tomorrow. Uh, the government shutdown. Who knows, actually? I don't know. halfway to passing here, but it's going to be aggressive because I want to go. I want to be done for the day because I'm going to be tempted to trade my Take Profit Trader account because I've won like 20 trades or 30 trades in a row now. Another one. It's crazy. It's crazy how easy it is some days. I'm halfway to passing 2 evals here, but I don't know if I'm going to trade them. Still going. Going for a little bit bigger target just so I could pass this faster if it goes in my direction. Would have won if I just stuck to my regular target. Let's see if it hits 605. Doesn't look like it wants to. I'm gonna take it off. See you tomorrow, Miss Kate. Thank you. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. And once again, if you want to participate in the $40 Apex promo ends today, so you have to pass by today. So if you don't plan on passing by today, then don't bother with it. We'll see what they bring out for Black Friday. I gotta check how much can I should not even check, but how much can I take out from Apex? I know I have accounts at payout now, but I don't want to look because it's gonna mess me up mentally, but we're gonna check. Oh, only one account. Okay, it's only one account. Not too bad. My plan is to get 1, 2, 3, these 4 accounts to pay out by end of the month. Full payout though. At least 2,500. At least 2,500. $610 to pass. I need 3,800. Doesn't seem like that much, but wish I could make 3,800 on Take Profit Trader. Be a rich man. Would be a rich man if I could do that. Test of what? I can't believe I got so many scalps in a row. Wish I was this good at scalping every day. Be so easy. Alpine is back. Oh no. Might have jinxed it. So close. Let's see if we could work out of this magically. I'm gonna try to bring my average down. It's the trailing drawdown that's what's gonna get me. I'm gonna be profitable on this account and still blow it. It's gonna be great. Come on, a little bit more. Perfect. Oh, nice. I'll take off 2 break even here just in case we go lower. Give me more breathing room. Come on. That's not nice. Happened 2 times. Once here and once here. Look how close. Well, I wasn't patient here. I didn't wait for that. So you take advantage of the big ups, and then when it's pulling back, the first pullback, if it doesn't hold, now it's a reversal, right? If this first pullback did not hold the new highs here, this is now a reversal. So I was not patient enough for double bottom or some kind of strength. So it's gonna blow this eval, unfortunately. But I was close. I was, a couple ticks away from getting filled 2 times. Didn't happen. So what are you gonna do? I have 12 Apex accounts right now, so I'm happy with that. A $40 activation, can't complain. But yeah, I was not patient enough for this. This is gonna sell off, maybe to here, maybe down to here, and then it's gonna bounce. This is gonna be an easy long again, just like it was here, just like the previous. I think I took a long as here as well. Right now the market's weak, so it's got to make new highs every time it makes a pullback. If it doesn't make new highs, this is not a good buy for, it's not a trap anymore. This is a reversal. So that's gonna do it for me, guys. Past 1 out of 3, so that's not good, but we do have CPI tomorrow. If we do, then maybe I'll pass. If we don't have CPI, then whatever. But I'm only gonna pass if I have any that renew, because I'm not buying for 70% off. Although I do have some codes for 80% off, but all right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day because I actually want to try something on my desk. I want to put it against this wall again. I used to have it and see what I could do. All right, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow at 9:20 a.m. Be good. Let's get this ORB money. And just gonna keep trucking 1 minute a day, baby. Make all that money in 1 minute a day. Very proud. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. $560 payout secured today. So month is starting to look okay. Love you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow.